Your Majesty, I announce the arrival of the Crown Princess of Amibo.
Oh, please usher her in immediately. Oh, great, my Crown Princess. You're welcome to my palace. This will be your permanent home as the Crown Princess of Amibo and the next Queen of Amibo.
My son will be so happy to see you as he returns. You are his type of woman. You're welcome to our house.
The elders await your presence in my court. My lords, you're welcome to my palace. My lord. Great. Here comes the elders already. My elders.
We honor you, Your Majesty. The Crown Princess of Amibo. I'm personally elated.
The Crown Princess of Amibo. I'm highly delighted. You deserve it.
Thank you.
You are highly honored.
My princess. Wachora wine.
You're welcome. Crown Princess.
Popo Potokri. Pepe Pakistan. Tomato Johnson. You're welcome.
Great Crown Princess. Jack! Roll out the drinks! Get my champagne and all other drinks! This is wonderful, my Dirichi.
What kind of stupid dream is this now, eh? So I've been dreaming all this while. How long have I been? Eh? How long? Hey, we have to run over.
Wonderful, my dear. Oh.
Look at you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh my God. This is Amibo Kingdom.
Okay, thank you.
No. Prince, no.
Please, you have to meet the chiefs of the land, highest chiefs of the land, Chief Okobo, Chief Aneto, Chief Owakwe, Chief Omega. Oh,
And your mother.
and my beautiful queen.
Welcome, my prince. Oh, you will not, on your side. Oh, hello. Hello, now, hello. Oh.
Yes. Amibo, when?
Yes.
When?
Yes.
When? Yes. Where's Ono? Ekele nwonye eze. Oluano. My good people of Amibo, I am honored by your presence. This beautiful and remarkable day in the life of the royal family. Today, my two sons came back home after their education in the United States of America. Please join me to congratulate the two bright princes of Amibo Kingdom. As we continue to celebrate, eat and drink, and before we retire finally for the day, I will call on my second son, Prince Munachi, to address his people. My prince, your king wants you to address your people.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, my son.
My elders and chiefs, people of Amibo, I greet you all. I do not intend to address the people when my elder brother, the crown prince of Amibo Kingdom, Prince Heno, is here body and soul. May I crave your indulgence, Father, to call on my elder brother, Prince Heno, to speak our mind. Brother.
Ophobia Maka. You are the wise son of your father.
Yes.
Amibo when?
Yes.
Amibo one.
Yes.
Where's one?
I am humbled by my brother's faith in me. Today, while we enjoy the honor of your presence, I and my brother are more concerned about the future of Amibo. Leading a great kingdom like Amibo demands sacrifice more than we can ever imagine. In Amibo, the strong shall help the weak. The rich shall lift the poor. And the able shall provide for the disabled. We have a dream of an Amibo where love shall replace hate. Forgiveness shall replace unforgiveness. Forgiveness shall replace bitterness. Progress shall replace backwardness. Sharing shall replace selfishness. Long life shall replace sudden death. And of course, education shall take the place of illiteracy. We shall reciprocate your kind gesture with love, honesty, justice, and compassion. This is the dream I share with my brother, and this is the dream we want to share with you all. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Daddy, like seriously, what was that about?
You look distressed, my daughter.
Why shouldn't I? You assured me I was the only one for the crown prince.
But has anything changed?
Daddy, just stop pretending. Just stop pretending. You saw the way he was doting over that girl. What was that again? Her name again?
You mean Dagari?
Whatever. See, Daddy, you need to do something before it gets serious. I must be the princess.
You don't have to bother yourself, my daughter. I'm a long-time friend of the king, and we have this age-long pact. Yes, he must respect the pact, and his duty is to beat his crown prince into the right path.
And it is your duty to raise alarm in case the king is ignorant of the drifting.
You're right. I know what to do.
Daddy, you better do something about it. I must be the princess. I just have to be.
Don't bother yourself, my daughter. I know what to do. You're right.
Brother, that wasn't my speech. You have planted something in the spirit of every Amibo citizen. It was a pack of wisdom, brief and powerful. Brother, what is it?
Why is Father torturing me? Since I grew up, he has always felt reluctant doing me any favor. As if he is forced to accept me and respect me as his firstborn. If it's not youth twisting his arms, he wouldn't do what is right for me. Why, Mona?
But are you referring to his choice of who addresses the guests at the party? But I corrected him immediately. I didn't give it there.
Do you have to remind him always? What if you are not such an understanding younger brother? He should know what is right and wrong. Right from childhood, he sent you to the best of schools and forced me to pass public schools. If not for your threat, he insisted I read in a local university while you go to Harvard. Even over there, he bombarded your accounts with money. Left me dry. There's no single day he does not call you to ascertain about your welfare. But he doesn't even call me to say hi. Why? Munachi, why?
I guess he was only training you. He's probably testing your maturity and ability to handle crisis as his heir apparent. I want you to remain calm and tolerant. He's our father.
I felt like just that very one them seem calling. Tell me to tell you. Tell me to tell you.
What is it? What is it?
The princes of Amibo are back. Yes, sir. And I hear the others are pressing the crown prince to get married. And the same day that he's getting married, they will crown him heir to the throne. Yes, sir.
Are you serious?
True to God.
Yeah, tell me more. Tell me what happened.
I should tell you more.
Tell me more now.
Okay. And I hear that. In fact, rumor have it that you know Vanessa, that one that works like this.
I know her.
I heard that they want the prince to marry her. Why? Like seriously, why?
That is no secret now.
Baby. Why is your face like that? Are you not happy?
Well, it is nothing serious.
Tell me, what is it?
It's just a stupid daydream.
Stupid daydream. Like seriously, I like hearing stupid daydream. Tell me. Yes,
okay,
tell me.
I saw myself as the crown princess of the palace.
What's that big one?
Leading all my maidens and servants through the road of Amibo. Everybody was just hailing me and I was just waving and greeting them. It was one. I felt on top of the world. I was on a horse. Everybody was just hailing me. Hey! But you know, it's not like a dream. It looks so real. So real. Even the elders were just hailing me. Everybody was just supporting me. I was giving gifts. I was just posing. Oh. Hey. What is it?
Like serious? If not that, you said it was a dream. I would have taken you to one katabia. I'd rather fight. No. Did you drink that last night before you slept?
You're laughing at me. I'm telling you, dreams do come true. They do come true.
Dreams
they be laughing here.
The beautiful daughter of a royal cook and an honorable farmer.
How does that sound in comparison to the Akalaka of Amibo?
There's really no big deal in a name. Character is what makes a person. And you've got a whole load of positive attitudes. That's what counts.
Thank you, my friends. You speak with so much wisdom.
To cut this long story short, Tabere.
Yes, my friends.
I'm in love with you. Hey, my heart palpitates anytime I see you. I don't know why.
Please, I beg you, my prince. Please, I don't want to invoke the anger of the king. It is not in Amibo that the crown princes always have a lady in waiting for them. My prince, please, I beg you. I don't want to get in trouble. Please. Besides, I don't have blue blood. It does not run in my lineage.
I'm going to exploit every loophole to make sure that this relationship works. Just stand by me and trust me.
Please, my prince, I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble. Please, I beg you. I beg you, please, my prince, please.
She's lovable, and I'm getting jealous.
No, but she's scared she's not blue blood.
She thinks so? Mm-hmm. But I heard she's of the royal family of Amibo. Two things worked against them in the bid of becoming the king of Amibo in favor of our father. Our father had no son and extremely poor. But for blue blood, she's kind of thankful of it.
So for how long have you been digging deep into the history of this kingdom?
Brother, I have always made friends with wise elders like Chief Owakwe.
So what's the special interest in her that warranted your discussing her with Owakwe?
I'm interested in who the next queen of Amibo is. And I want to make sure that you're on the right track. Like the one you're doing now.
Oh my God.
But I believe in you, I trust you. Oh God.
No! It can't be possible. It just can't be. What are you telling me?
Easy. I wouldn't have taken the meeting seriously if not for the dream she narrated to me. The meeting cannot be a mere coincidence. So, watch it.
So that daughter of a poor farmer dared to drag the crown prince with me? I'll crush him. I'll grate her until there's no visible pieces to bury. I swear to God.
I suggest you don't make her look very important. Rather, concentrate on the crown prince. Oh?
Nobody will be spared in this battle. The crown prince is my life.
I know.
I think I know what to do.
But you have to take it easy. Oh? Take it easy. And please, don't tell anybody that I told you. Oh? Please, don't say I told you. Because if you do... Anyway, I want to leave now. Please, don't say I told you. I want to leave. Can I have some change? Oh?
Wait. Alright, sit down. Let me tell you something.
Okay. Easy. Hey! Great na grand one. Yay! Oh, Chimo.
the daughter of my good friend Chief Okoko.
I am not here for stupid banter.
Vanessa, where are your manners and respect for the elderly?
I should have slapped him and kicked all of you out of this kingdom.
Vanessa, listen, I take exceptions to that.
Just shut up. You have no right to protest. You don't have nobody. Tell me, is it still news that the crown prince has an already made princess reserved for him? And the princess is me.
Vanessa, watch your tongue. Watch it, okay? The prince came after me, yes. And besides, if he agrees with your claim, he won't go after another woman.
You will kill me. You will kill me before you touch her.
Did you just do that? You really want to start something you can finish? Huh? That's $1 million. Take it and leave this village. If I ever see you anywhere, the crown prince, you will regret ever knowing me. Say these fools I'm trying to help. I don't blame you.
Take your money. Take it. Yes. I don't need your money. You can eat the prince for all I care. I don't need your bloody money. Fools!
I am worried about the king's silence at the insult poured on his best friend. The crown prince of Amibo is going after the daughter of a peasant. He's been running after Dirichi, the daughter of Dirichi and Ulaku, your chief cook.
Oh, no. You can't be serious. You can't be serious.
Okay, you can do some investigations.
Oh, well, I will nip it in the bud forthwith. Our pact still remains intact, so you don't have to worry. Chief Okoko.
My king must live long. It is true, Your Highness.
How serious?
I'm afraid it is very serious. I mean, more serious than you can imagine.
Man, you can leave.
Around the world, love you to the bone, girl. Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. long as you go be my wife, yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never part for life, alright, alright, alright. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali. Wamu boshali wanemu wanemu boshali. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. Yeah, true love will never part for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Yeah. Oh my God, walking in the fun. Made up in the waste time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all attention, so delay. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart keep yearning for. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali. Wamu boshali wanemu wanemu boshali. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, yeah, 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 yeah. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never part for life, say alright, alright. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali. Wamu boshali wanemu wanemu boshali. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never part for life, alright. What a missimo, Agamalugi kende manukuruma. Ema bulina gako pimuna gabi bikola kamu. Biko mapumamu, biko tachi mamu. Biko jide makao, baby, baby, baby. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never part for life, alright, alright, alright. Wamu boshali nelu wanemu wamu boshali. Wamu boshali wanemu wanemu boshali. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright, alright. True love will never part for life, alright. Oh, she love me now. She love me now. Oh, she love me now.
I welcome you all to Amibo and every other guest that is here this wonderful day. Today, my son Munachi is. Oh, sorry, forgive my excitement, my son. I almost thought it's my own birthday.
You're all welcome to my birthday. One will be wondering why we have not gathered here for my elder brother's birthday, Prince Heno, the crown prince of this kingdom. Actually, we planned us together to spring a surprise. Today is not just my birthday alone. It is the birthday of the two princes of this great kingdom. As is customary, I will allow my elder brother, Prince Heno, to address our august visitors. My brother, you have the floor.
You know, once more, I'm enthralled by my brother's wisdom. You know, wisdom, they say, is the principal thing. He never stops springing surprises. Without mincing words, I heartily welcome you to this birthday celebration. Please just feel free, relax, enjoy yourself, and have fun. Thank you for coming. We feel very honored and humbled. God bless you all.
Oh, please. Heno, come back here. Once again, I welcome you, good people of Amibo. And since today is a surprising double birthday party, I wish to use this opportunity to give you a timely and befitting birthday present. Today, before the good people of Amibo, I, King Ugoji Neji, the Akalaka Amibo, I wish to use this opportunity to present to you your princess and wife to be, the beautiful Vanessa Okobo, the daughter of my longtime friend and associate, Chief Obiora Okobo. Today, I seal this.
Nothing yet, Dad. Save me from this public embarrassment. We can talk this over.
See me in my study straight away. The party should continue. Enjoy yourselves.
Gods to flout my orders. He's supposed to be here in my study. His disobedience is belittling me before my subjects.
You don't expect to slap a man in public and also expect him to dance at that. Honestly, I don't like the way you're handling this whole thing.
Oh, how right am I supposed to handle it? There's no other better way. He either realizes the dilemma, or I will be forced to save my neck. There are some things one cannot manage.
I call this meeting because it is time to call a spade a spade. By your combined efforts, you brought me into this world. Dad, I want you to answer me honestly before the Queen. Is Heno your biological son? I ask for a reason. You've always taken more interest in my affairs at the disadvantage of Heno, who happens to be the crown prince of this kingdom.
I ask to cancel this meeting.
There is no better time. First, you refuse to send him abroad along with me to study until I threaten hell. Back there in the States, you kept bombarding my account with money I do not need, while you sent little or nothing to Heno. I practically saw him through school from the excess money you sent to me.
I forbid you to.
Forbid not the truth, my king. When we talked, you insisted I address the people when my elder picked up the huge bill for my birthday without thinking that the prince's birthday was just a week ago. You summed it up by publicly picking a wife for a grown-up prince, regardless of his emotions. I tell you that wife thing is simply a smokescreen. The truth. The truth is locked up there in your heart. I suspect you know something, Mother. Please. Please, I need answers. Where has my brother Heno gotten it all wrong?
This meeting is over. I am the king, and I decide where my love lies. You or anybody will not question my decision. You had better take the lady I offered you. You have to choose between her and your legacy.
She's worth nothing.
Dare me and see if I'm really the king of Amibo.
Thank you, my friends. You speak with so much wisdom.
I'm in love with you. Hey, my heart palpitates anytime I see you. I don't know why.
Please, I beg you, my prince. Please, I don't want to invoke the anger of the king. It is known in Amibo that the crown princes always have a lady in waiting for them. My prince, please, I beg you. I don't want to get in trouble. Please. Besides, I don't have blue blood. It does not run in my lineage.
I'm going to exploit every loophole to make sure that this relationship works. Just stand by me and trust me.
Please, my prince, I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble. Please, I beg you. I beg you, please, my prince, please.
That must be my morning star, my shining star, the joy of my existence, my living dream, the love of my life, that Dirichi. I
love you. I love you.
Hey! Are you that shameless? Not to wait for my moves before pestering me?
I deserve some respect.
Not when you behave like a cheap harlot.
So you're talking to me because of that thing?
Look, I don't know who is beating the drum that you're dancing. But be sure of one thing. I will not join you in that show of shame. Go elsewhere and shop for a prince to marry. Guards, sir, take this sword away. And make sure she doesn't step into this compound again.
Yes, sir. Now, let's go.
If you dare lay your filthy hands on me.
I said, let's go.
He's too dangerous for me. Too independent-minded and blunt to a fault.
I still insist that you handle it with caution. Do not dispose of him in a hurry.
I've been looking everywhere for you and wondering if you will ever make it. After staring into the eyes of the angry king.
Well, the king has the right to be angry, just as I have the right to change my tune.
How long can this linger? The king's decree is final. He's our source of livelihood. My mother works for him.
I'll take care of that,
Hey! Like seriously? Lele ni Indian love batala Africa. Choy! La berina ila walao.
How about Vanessa's desperation?
Forget about this now. Believe me, Dabere, you're my only true love. Truly. Look, what's the crown without happiness, without peace of mind? You are my peace, you're my happiness. And there's nothing to be compared with you. Look, I can do away with the crown just to have you with me. And I mean it. Look, baby, I love you. I just
No, of all the people is Dabere. But this girl can play partiality sometimes. Look at me now. No, look at me. Look at me. Look at me now. Am I not one of the most beautiful girls in this town? Check it now. Now, why are all the favors and everything going to my friends? Why? Are they better than me? No, are they better than me?
Have you seen it? I told you. Open your eyes and see. Dreams do come true. It comes true.
I like to dream like you. In fact, I like your kind of dream.
I reject it in Jesus' name. My kind of dream, eh? Please, don't dream my kind of dream so you won't take my husband away from me.
Ah, but the prince is full of us now.
I beg, just dream. There are so many dreams. Just keep dreaming your own. I'll be dreaming my own, okay?
No, but I will
Please,
dream.
I beg you.
I will dream.
I'll dream. Hey, John, I told you. It has happened now. I told you. Open your eyes.
Long live my king. My king, is it well you choose to come instead of sending for me?
Oh, the seriousness of the matter is far beyond royal protocol. I am the king, and I have chosen a wife for the crown prince. But you and your family stand in my way. After all I've done and still doing for you.
Your Highness, I am lost. Dirichi can never stand in the way of his benefactor. I can never do that. Eh?
Your daughter, the Dirichi, is after Prince Ihanacho. She has thrown my choice for the prince into undue lamentation. And it's fast looking as if the king lacks the powers to enforce his own orders. I do not plan for any public disgrace for you or any member of your family, Mazi Dirichi. That is why I am here personally to address this issue. The owner of a mischievous dog should put it in chains. The king has spoken, and the gods of Amibo bear me witness. Mrs. Dirichi, please, I want you to think back and tell me if I have ever offended you in life.
If my king has offended me, it must be by his charity. And no one gets offended by charity, my king.
Then why are you destroying my family? I picked a wife for my son Ihanacho, but your daughter has stolen him away.
Bano, Your Majesty, it must be a dream.
Dabere, your daughter, is in love with Ihanacho. And Vanessa is hurting.
When a mad dog bites a person, we don't go about looking for the dog. We look for the owner of the dog. A word is enough for the wise, Olako. You can now leave.
Thank you, my king. Thank you, my queen.
It's okay, honey.
My king, the elders await your royal presence in your court.
I'll be with them shortly. I will see the elders in the court.
It's okay, but you have to be careful.
Listen, you will not step into this house today until you go to the king's palace, denounce your relationship with Heno, then apologize to the king.
Papa, I will not. I will not do that. Did I offend anyone? Tell the king to tell his son to stay away from me. Tell the king.
Adema, Dirichi, put your head here and see whether this your stupid head will be on top of your neck again.
You will not kill me. You will not kill me. It's either you listen to me now or you die in my hands. You will not kill me. You won't kill me.
What have I done now? What have I done? What have I done now?
You're playing hide and seek game with the crown prince, when you knew very well that the king has chosen a wife for him. Huh?
It's the prince that is coming after me. It's not me. He's coming after him. Tell the king to stop talking to his son. Tell the king to talk to his son.
Tell this one that you're not interested. Tell him that you're not interested. The king has been our benefactor ever since your childhood.
Yes.
And no wise man bites the finger that fed him.
And no mouth is made to be permanently fed. You can feed yourself and others. And that's the message we are trying to pass on to you. It's me the king should be harassing, not you. It's cowardly of him to threaten you. And let me say this, and I want you to hear it from me and no one else. The king, the throne, and the legacies can go to hell for all I care if it means taking Dabere from me. This is my battle, not yours. I can contend with the king of Amibo and anyone for that matter. Jureke, let her be, and that's an order. Excuse me. If you're tired of being my father, denounce me publicly and save me this unwarranted embarrassment. Not in this age. Not in this age will a father choose a wife for the son. I'm capable of making my choice. No, let me believe that you have not properly come out of your shell. When you're ready, I'm ready. But one thing is clear. You cannot come between me and Dirichi. Your Majesty, the forest that forbids basket must never grow mushroom.
I will disown you if you
disown me now. Why postpone the evil day? You've never shown me respect and love befitting a full-grown crown prince and a son. What do I stand to lose if you disown me? If not the self-respect that you already denied me.
You talk to me that way, you traitor.
Father, this is getting out of hand.
There is no place of honor among traitors. You either fall in line with me or fall out with this hooligan.
have no moral right to throw this fight first.
Don't dare me, woman.
The way you're handling this whole thing is totally wrong. This is wrong.
This is strange. Initially, I thought it was a kind of oversight. But lately, the hatred has become too obvious to be ignored. What is he hiding?
I don't know. I'm confused. You know, totally confused. Ordinarily, the choice of a wife should not be a problem. I mean, I'm an adult, and he went to school. What's the meaning of this?
Wisdom, they say, is not synonymous with age. Let's play fast, woman. Brother, pretend you've accepted his offer of Vanessa, and let's see if he's going to change. If he doesn't, then Vanessa is not a problem.
But Vanessa has not been around all these years that he has shown this hatred.
But I will have to be double sure.
Let's go for a ride.
I don't know why things should degenerate to this. I've always taken pride in the peace and unity of this family. And I've made a lot of sacrifice to sustain it. I'm ready to make more sacrifice. I accept Vanessa as my wife. If in the course of this misunderstanding I have erred, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I'm also sorry, Dad.
I accept your apology, but that will not change anything. You can go celibate for all I care. I'm only interested in your younger brother. Once he's ready with whoever is his wife, I will bless him and hand over the toga of leadership to him as our custom demands. The instinct of a traitor in you is already registered in my mind.
But Father, he has accepted Vanessa.
Oh, don't interrupt me, son. And be wise enough not to be roped into a fight you know not the beginning nor the end.
Why would I lay a finger on my father? I can never raise a finger against my father. I would rather leave the palace for him. Why is he this touchy?
Brother, just calm down, okay?
Some of you must have heard about the silent war between me and my son, Yanacho. people gathered here today for me to declare his wedding day. But I'm sorry to announce to you that my crown has moved away from him to my second son, Prince Munachi. It is in my power to choose who succeeds me, and this is my decision.
My king should remember that what he tends to do has never been done before.
As long as the law of the land does not forbid it, that is my decision, period.
As far as I'm concerned, Heno has done nothing to incur such hatred from the king. Just yesterday, I and the crown prince went to the king, and he accepted Vanessa with a strong apology. What the king did not realize was that the apology was a test, and he failed woefully.
I command you to shut up.
It is clear that Vanessa, or the choice of wife, is not the king's problem. He should look for a good reason to give to you. I love my brother, and I will fight along my brother.
Guards! Take him away! If you touch him, I'll kill you here.
A wise king should know his limitations. If you have the right to appoint me as your successor, I have the right to reject your offer. Today I reject the offer of being the king's successor until there is a good reason
To disinherit my elder brother. A family divided amongst itself shall never stand.
Did he eventually announce you his successor?
No, he didn't. He chose Munachi instead.
And Munachi happily grabbed it?
No, he didn't. He swore to be by me until the king has a better reason for trying to disinherit me.
What a strong show of loyalty and love by your brother.
You know, that guy cannot cease to amaze me. But one thing is clear now. You are not the king's brother. He's just using you for a cover-up. Only the gods know what is in his mind. I don't know.
My love, what are you going to do next?
My days in that palace are numbered. Unless the king changes.
Are you saying that you're going to throw away your legacy just because of a daughter of a peasant?
That daughter of a peasant is my own treasure. And I cannot throw away my treasure for any crown. You are my crown. Damir, you simply need to come into my heart to know how much I love you.
I love you too.
Daddy, I'm going crazy. The king disinherited the crown prince. Where does that place me? Tell me.
I am a bit confused, my daughter. I had a pact with the king on Ihenacho, not on Munachi.
We are both saying the same thing, Dad. So what do I do? Sit down and lick my wound? Daddy, I have to be the princess. I just have to be. Daddy, I'm gonna kill myself if I don't become the princess. See, I was just busy boasting to my friends. Now, how do you want them to see me? Tell me.
You know what? Calm down. I wish I can persuade the king to recommend you for Munachi. But in the interim, calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down, Dad. Daddy, stop telling me to calm down. Get up and do whatever you can to get me to the throne. I have to be the princess. I just have to be. Daddy, I don't care with the crown princess. All I want is to be the princess. I just have to be the princess.
What have I done? Let me alone! Let me alone! Let me alone! What have I done?
Move this way.
Let me alone!
Move!
Let me alone! What have I done? Let me alone! Let me alone!
Move this way.
Let me alone!
Move it.
Because you only let me alone! Let me alone! What have I done? What have I done? Baby, come on. Forgive me. What have I done? What have I done?
Your Majesty, why is she here? What is this?
I asked to see her. Olako.
No, Majesty.
A weak king is worse than a stupid loafer, and I don't intend to be one. I gave my orders, and no one cared to obey it.
Your Majesty, Prince Anacho asked me and my husband to resolve the matter. Okay, out.
Yes, I did. Just as you do not have any right to make a choice for me, they don't have any right to choose for their daughter. Both of us are adults, so they are innocent of any crime. Why are they so debased?
Oh, great. Great. It is interesting to watch the king and the prince flex muscles. But the question is, who will most likely win? And the answer is here now. Olako, you are hereby fired.
Father, you can't possibly do that to an innocent woman.
It is done already.
You can do it, Father.
In case you're still dreaming. Now, God, take her out of my premises now. Take her. Let's go. Move it. Nonsense. Get out of my presence, both of you.
Like my wife.
Don't!
What is the problem?
The king has sent me because of her.
You are happy now, eh? You are happy now. No problem. Go on and celebrate with a different place. But the problem there is, make sure you get everything we need in this house for survival from him. Dabri, I am ashamed of you. I am very much ashamed of you. Oh yeah, don't worry. Let us get inside. Everything will be alright.
I'm sorry.
Will you shut up? Stop telling me you are sorry. You are sorry over what? What you are doing intentionally, you are telling me you are sorry. See the problem you have caused for this family now. No problem. Everything is going to be alright. Go ahead.
Where do you think you're going to, two of you? Where do you think you're going to?
I'm convinced now, beyond all reasonable doubt, that I'm no longer needed in this palace. So let me get out of the way.
Wherever my brother goes, I go. Why are you begging me to stay? Nobody is begging me, Anacho. Is he not my blood brother and your son? I don't understand. If you can do away with your first son, what guarantee do I have that you will not dash me away wishfully? Until that settles this, I am living with my brother.
Okay. I promise to settle this once and for all. We'll talk it out tomorrow morning. But I have to warn you, Ihanacho. Every king of our land has chosen a wife for his successor. What you're doing is against our culture. In case the gods get angry, you will bear the consequence. Agreed?
Let me worry about that, Father.
Okay, please. Jack, taking their authorities back to the house. Please, go back. Tomorrow morning, we will handle this situation. Once and for all, I promise. Chief Okobo? Yes. No frivolities. Let us meet in a very private place. You understand where we meet? Yes, I need to talk to you. Yeah, in an hour's time. Yeah. Okay. Jack, take me on a ride. Right away.
Of the wicked ones in Jesus. Amen. I rebuke the spirit of madness from you, Jesus.
Amen.
Please, Jesus. Please,
Father, I will not shoulder the punishment of another person.
Father, what are you insinuating?
I warned your brother that he was breaking the law of the land by rejecting my choice of Vanessa for him. Now, this is the consequence.
But he accepted your offer.
I am glad. You told the elders that it was a simple plow to see if Vanessa was actually the bone of contention. You fooled me, but the gods know he was never prepared to marry Vanessa. No one fools the gods. I warned him. You had better go and make an arrangement for where he will stay. He will not stay in my palace. This place is not a mental home.
But Heno is your son, the bone of your bone, and flesh of your flesh, Father.
Or do I have to sleep and dine with a madman just because he's my son?
That is your son, Father! Come on!
It is well with you. Having me is not a mistake. I will never bring a curse upon you. Dad, amidst all the beautiful men you saw, you chose Mom. You loved, cherished, and married her. With no money, royalty, or blue blood. You still love her. I am a victim of the same love. Dad, I don't see Prince Heno as a prince or a blue-blooded son of the king or the possible successor to the throne of my Amibo. I see him as a man that I love, a man that I want to spend the rest of my life with. Dad, is that a crime? Mom, is that evil? It is only unfortunate that my love cost you your job. And the favor from the king. We can live and survive without the king's favor. People do. I promise that I will work harder. I will try my possible best. I promise.
Dirichi, please help her achieve her dreams. Please. I've done nothing wrong with it. My daughter. If I condemn you, I have condemned myself for loving your mother. I have forgiven you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Peter, it's well with you.
I've taken everything as the wish of the gods. We are only afraid you might lose your life in a useless battle where men are looking for wives.
the king's wrath, follow my wife to my home.
Prince Monachi is not a king's anymore. I came here on my own accord. I have bad news for you. Precisely for you, Dirichi. Yes. Prince Heno ran mad early this morning.
Wait, I don't understand. Did you say he's mentally deranged?
I know it is strange, but that's the truth. I had to lock him up in his room against my father's wish. He should have been roaming the streets by now, if my father had his way.
I want no. Hey, get me water. Get me water.
I love my son, but he betrayed me. The gods have shown that they are on my side. If he had listened to me, the gods would not have struck him with madness.
My king, even a mad prince worth more than a commoner. Can you simply write off your flesh and blood without seeking medical or spiritual solution?
Oh, solution?
Yes.
Solution to the wish of the gods? Or will you have me fight against the wishes of the gods?
Yet, it is still an assumption, my king.
The king has consulted with the gods, and he speaks the mind of the gods.
The gods can be questioned, can't they, the wise one?
Mazi Okoro, don't let your old age enter your head. I can be very dangerous when I am angry. Will you be wiser than the gods that decided the fate of the prince? Anyone who has a solution should take him out of my palace. I will oblige you, but I will not fight the gods that made me king, the gods that decided the fate of the prince. Now, this meeting is over. You go and prepare for the wedding and coronation of my second son, Prince Monachi. Thank the gods I have a spare son.
Hey! Cancel every outing you have, my sister, and celebrate. For the gods are fighting your battle. Hey! Thank you, Jesus, my friend.
What are you talking about? I don't understand.
Heno has been struck mad by the gods. Simply because he rejected the king's offer for a wife. Yes, so, in fact, every searchlight now is on Monachi. See, I will advise you, grab him fast, before that hawk diverts to him. Oh? Like my friend Dabere will say, who says dreams do not come true? In fact, if dreaming is by marrying a madman, let the dream and the marriage wait.
I don't marry. Ijeoma. Wait, are you sure about this? No, I know. I just want to know.
You don't believe me?
You know what? Just come in and tell me more.
Thank God.
I trust you.
Hey,
you know I like you very much.
Hey!
Has Ijeoma served my food?
No, my princess.
Why does Ijeoma serve my food late all the time? get me something to drink.
Yes, my princess. My princess needs a glass of drink.
Is that why your face is like that? Are you the princess now?
And she's not happy that food is not yet served.
I'll go. Okay. Tell them I'm bringing the food. Please arrange your face well. You princess.
I chose you as my chief cook because you're my trusted friend. Why do you delay my meals all the time? Why?
Sorry, it won't happen again. I'm sorry.
She poisoned me. It's a dream. Why all those stupid dreams? Eh? Nevertheless, I have to be very careful of Ijoma. I have to be very careful.
This is Carlos, father. You deny your insane son food for 3 whole days. If I didn't go there to check on him, he would have been hungry for days. So tell me, do you want him to die or to survive?
Left alone, he would have died long ago. What? Is it not better to bury him honorably than for me to live fending for a madman? Even if you want him released, I will not release him. Let him die slowly and save me the disgrace of dancing around in the village. Starvation is the best weapon here, my son.
Father, you wicked! I regret having you as a father.
It's all for your sake, my son.
You spill innocent blood and you say it is for my sake? It's not for my sake!
he really gone insane? Tell me now in what way?
It's true, my daughter. I can see the deep love you have for him.
If only they'll let me have him. Sane or insane, I'll take him. Nai, I'll take him.
That is why I am here. If I'll have my way or a stake in this matter, I would have taken him away from the palace. If someone does not take him away from the palace, sooner or later, he will die by the hands of a powerful and invisible enemies.
What do you mean by a powerful and invincible enemy?
It's a mere suspicion. But I think Prince Ihanacho's worst enemies are his parents. The king in particular. Get him out of the palace as fast as you can. The faster, the better. Okay? Always remember, it takes more than a lion heart to fight a royal battle. It is not a war of tears and weeping, nor is it a war of swords and spears. It's a war of strength of character and uncommon bravery. You have both.
Dirichi, the daughter of Fulak.
Let me out! I want to see the king! I want to see the king! I want to see the king!
Hey, stop!
I want to see the king!
Let her be.
My king. Your Highness. My king, I beg you, please. Hear me out. Please hear me out and listen to me, please. I beg you. Hear me out.
Women with uncommon bravery command my respect. Speak. Guards, you can leave. Go back to your duty post.
My king, please. Please help me. Please, I beg you. If the prince was struck with insanity because he's stuck by me, please, my king, I beg you. Let me just bear the pain of taking care of him. It will remove the guilt away from my face. Please, I beg you. He is my responsibility. Please.
Never in the history of Amibo has such bravery been exhibited by a woman. You destroyed my son. And you have the audacity to ask me to hand him over to you. Because you can take much more care of him than his father and mother can take care of him. Thank you. Thank you very much for the insult. Jack! Dump her in the royal dungeon. Now!
My king, now. Please, I beg you, my king, I beg you, my king, please don't do this.
Take her away.
I beg you, my queen, please do not cheer, I beg you, please help me, I need to take care of him, please, I beg you, please.
Please, Father, I appeal for mercy on her behalf. Please forgive her.
Appeal to the gods. You are more powerful than the king now, aren't you? Nonsense.
Go to the Dirichis and tell them the fate of your daughter. As long as this battle lasts, you shall be my secret ally. Agreed?
I'm loyal, my prince.
Now you can go.
Excuse me.
His family seeks your presence.
Bring them in.
The king must live long. Your Highness, honestly, I am pained by the turnout of events lately in this kingdom. It's one of those things that are beyond our control as mortals.
Oh, speak straight. I have no time for useless preambles.
It is about my daughter, my king. She was stupid to have come looking for the crown prince. Please forgive her.
Honestly, she means no harm.
She will rot away in my dungeon. She's mischievous, a cheap harlot, and a very, very bad influence.
Speak no such word against my daughter, your Highness. Dabere is my daughter. I know her very well. She is anything but those names you called her. Besides, she was misled by the prince. Your Highness, I plead that you make do with your domestic problems and let my daughter go. Let me alone. What is this? You cannot beat a child and tell the child not to cry. The boy deserves not to be locked up for any reason. Guards! Guards! Guards!
Lock up these two miscreants in my dungeon with their useless daughter. Stop! Stop! I said stop!
Father, this is incredible.
Challenge me and join them. Don't be fooled by useless sentiments, son. I say stop!
Munachi, stop it! Munachi, it's high time you stewed with your father or you lose everything. This madness is nobody's fault.
Take them now!
Mercy, please. Bless your majesty.
I said take them!
I can't put us. Let us go to this thing. What is this place? It's not human being. Okay, go.
Arrant nonsense. We shall know who is king.
ole onye m ga-ebesara ụmụnwa ole onye m ga-akọsara Chukwu bi n'igwe bịakwuchitere m ọnụ ole onye m ga-ebesara
ịhụnanya m ole ebe ị nọ lọvụ m ole ebe ị nọ Chukwu ekwekwala ka ndị ụwa merie anyị Chukwu bi n'igwe sọ gị ga-ekwuru m ọnụ ịhụnanya m ole ebe ị nọ lọvụ m ole ebe ị nọ Chukwu ekwekwala ka ndị ụwa merie anyị Chukwu bi n'igwe sọ gị ga-ekwuru m ọnụ
Chukwu bi n'igwe Yeuchi mo bịakwuchitere m ọnụ eji m nke onye bịakwuchitere m ọnụ ewo chimo
Why are you begging me to stay and nobody is begging me any joy? Is he not my blood brother and your son? I don't understand. If you can do away with your first son, what guarantee do I have that you will not dash me away wishfully someday?
In your younger brother. Once he's ready with whoever is his wife, I will bless him and hand over the toga of leadership to him as our custom demands. And the instinct of a traitor in you is already registered in my mind.
really have to feed these children. We have to feed these children. We can't continue running around like this every night.
Oh no. I will rather arrange another cell for them that is well away from the palace, so you can have a peaceful rest, my queen.
This letter should be given to just 3 people. First, to the women leader, Madame Urema. And then the second one should be given to the youth leader, Basil. The third should be given to the head of mothers, Madame Monica. And make sure you collect this letter from each of them after they finish reading and bring it back to me to destroy. and the king must not see it. Can I trust you in this? Can I trust you?
Yes, my prince.
I'll take it. And can go.
My way now.
You must be searched. That is the order from the king. The king suspects sabotage, and he wants everyone coming into this palace from the outside to be thoroughly searched.
Okay, fine. Let the king know that the prince sent me on an errand.
My searching has got nothing to do with where you came from. Right? But now, let me have that. You plan a coup against me?
It is not a coup. It is a letter to all, and sundry to form a pressure group against tyranny.
You call me a tyrant because I want to protect you, the throne and the kingdom.
Kingdoms are not protected by tyrant leaders. It is protected by a common spirit and cooperation amongst its citizens. Fear cannot bring victory. It can only fan the embers of rage. Father, what is wrong? What is wrong in fighting for the freedom of innocent people rotting away in your personal cell, including a mad prince who needs an immediate medical attention, Father?
Now, I will tell you. Now, tie her down and give her 100 royal lashes with a horsewhip before my very eyes and the eyes of her social crusader and activist. Now, hey, stop it, Prince! I won't watch you come to a traitor like your brother. From henceforth, you will not step out of this compound, and it is an order that must be obeyed. You
can't do that.
Now, flog her, and lock her with her fellow traitors in the royal dungeon.
Your Highness, the entire kingdom is boiling.
Over what?
Over your sudden high-handedness, Your Honor.
Are you speaking their mind, or you are part of the baseless gossip?
Your Highness, the incarceration of the entire Dirichi family and your chief maiden is no longer a secret. It can never be said to be gossip. It is real, Your Highness. In fact, the entire people are angry with you, Your Highness.
They can go on boiling for all I care. I do what I think is necessary. Period.
With all due respect, Your Honor, it is more than you can imagine.
What can they do? Wakwe, I've heard you. Let the first brave man or woman rear up his ugly head, and I will stretch my brutality to the extreme. Yes, it is high time I use some of my enormous powers as the Akalaka Amibo.
Igwe, the war has even started earlier than expected. Maziokoro, Alalamo. Igwe here.
Open the gate! Open the gate! Open this gate!
Traitors! Hopeless, useless, old traitors! At the end of this, I will have your heads splatter or I will banish you for life. Hopeless traitors. 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 Useless traitors.
You open this gate. Open this gate. Open this gate.
I hate you for this. You gang up with my enemies to destroy me.
They are not your enemies. They are citizens of Amibo, seeking for justice from their king.
Are you okay?
Open the gate. Open the gate. Open this gate. Open this gate. Open this gate.
Jack, let me see their leaders.
Open this gate. Open this gate. Open this gate. You are. Open this gate.
The Igwe wish to speak with your leaders, and only the leaders should come in.
Stop. Let me see your leaders. Do you know that I can lock all of you up in my dungeon for this stupid impudence?
Igwe, the women of Amibo Kingdom are not to be threatened.
And Igwe, we the use of Amibo never tolerate a tyrant king. Never.
Exactly. Bam.
The Umuadas express their displeasures at your high-handedness, Igwe.
What do you want?
The immediate release of Dirichi's family.
The release of Oluchi, the chief maiden.
And you don't dance when you're talking to my husband.
And Igwe, the release of our dear Prince Heno, who will land has fallen out of favor.
Don't point at the king.
Igwe, we the youth need him more than you do. Release him.
Yes. Exactly.
Release him.
Exactly.
Yes.
That's what we want. That's what we want. Street. You must.
And if I don't assent to your demand,
Igwe, you
must.
The women of Amibo Kingdom will go naked for you.
The entire Amibo Umadas will see that no one buys from the royal house and no one sells to them.
Exactly.
The members of the royal house shall be treated as outcasts.
Outcasts,
yes.
And all the roads in Amibo will never contain the royal convoy. Igwe will burn all to ashes.
Exactly.
yes. Jack, release the prisoners.
And not so, Prince Heno. My people, I am also in captivity. The Igwe must lift the ban from our freedom of movement.
Yes.
This is the age of freedom and justice.
Yes, sir.
Our rights must be protected.
Yes.
Love and peace must prevail.
Yes.
The weak must be protected.
Yes.
And also, the poor must be helped.
Yes.
There shall be no room for tyranny. Amibo bueno. Do you bueno? Amibo bueno. Are you bueno?
Long live the prince!
I lift all sorts of ban forthwith.
I love you.
I love you too. And if you really love me, try and stay out of trouble, no matter the provocation. Even if my mother or father gets you angry, just wait for me to come back, okay?
I'll do whatever you say, huh? But my dead heart will always be with you.
Yes, I will always be with you. But you know, I have to go out sometimes to get something for us to eat. Aside that, of course, I'll always be with you.
Out! Tabere, get out! Get out! Tabere, get out! Get out! Get out! Tabere, get out!
It's okay. Go inside.
Dabere, come here.
You see, the war is over. And this is the time for us to think. I like your compassionate mind. But the part remains that you didn't make him at your man. So cast off that guilt. Okay?
Dabere, my daughter. The reality is that we cannot share the same roof with a madman.
But he's not causing any trouble.
He is not causing any trouble because you are here. But if you're not around and he gets wild, what happens? Eh?
My dear, you have to let him go. You can always send something to him wherever he stays. Take a look at yourself. You're getting lean every day due to overthinking. You were not meant to cater for a madman, my daughter. Enough of this blind compassion.
Papa, Mama, I am surprised at your suggestion. Do you know Prince Monachi has been secretly financing his brother's upkeep? Do you know how many people that have been contributing to his welfare? And you, my parents, are asking me to throw him out on the streets. Papa, Mama, that will never happen.
Then you have to go and build your own house. Or you send him to the house of those sympathizers. I'm only giving you 3 days. 3 days to do that. Otherwise, something unimaginable will happen in this house. And that is my statement.
You heard him.
It's not fair. It is not fair. It is not fair. It's not fair.
We will know. We will know who decides what happens in this house.
Sorry to disturb your prayers, son.
I am not a wicked father, my son. I am just a stickler when it comes to the custom of our people. I made mistakes with Iheanacho. I don't want to make mistakes with you. My son, don't incur the wrath of the gods carelessly, just like Iheanacho did. Let us put his issue behind us and move forward. Time is not on our side. I need to dedicate you to the throne after your wedding.
I agree to your wife and dedication. But the choice of a wife, is it still yours?
I am surprised at this question. That shouldn't be a contentious issue anymore, since it is obvious that the flouting of that divine privilege caused the problem of Iheanacho. Let me make the choice as custom demands, and you will never regret it, my son.
I asked you a question, Father. The choice of a wife is your own creation. I await to know the cause of Iheanacho's madness.
The choice of a wife should not cause any more problems, my son. Just try your father's choice, even if it's just for a period of courtship. Drop her if she's not okay. That's what your father is saying. Peace has to return to this family. And for peace to return, the kingdom looks up to you.
Sick, tired of waiting to be announced the Crown Princess of Amibo. My father does not impress me at all.
Listen, the rain must stop for the sun to break forth.
Star.
War gives way to a lasting peace. You are aspiring to be the princess of Amibo Kingdom. You must learn to be patient, wise, and tolerant. Look at you, you drink like a fish. Mark you, they are not going to tolerate that in the royal house.
Whatever. See, stop feeding me with baseless morals. Do your own bidding. And let me bother about my habits.
Okay, get ready to go over to the palace. Right? Yes. Prince Munachi has made up with his parents, and he wishes to take you in over a period of courtship. That is why I am warning you.
What did you say?
Yes, Prince Munachi has mended fences with his parents, and he wishes to take you in over a period of courtship. Listen, that's why I'm warning you. Get ready, let's go to the palace.
I love you, Daddy.